In this demonstration you learn how to include snapshots when you delete a base blob. Let's switch to Visual Studio. When you select a snapshot here in the navigation of the Coffee Video Admin application, you can delete that snapshot like a normal blob. So let's click OK, and now the snapshot is gone. Let's ensure and let's click on Reload Videos. You can see only 2 snapshots are left. But now let's select the skateboarder MP4 blob that has these 2 snapshots and let's try to delete this video. Let's click OK. Now we get an error that says this operation is not permitted because the blob has snapshots. Now let's implement the logic to include the snapshots when you delete a blob. So let's close the application. Here you can see the delete video async method of the Coffee Video Storage class. There is a to-do command, delete the snapshots with the blob. As you can see, the delete async method of the Cloud Blob takes already a delete snapshots option. Let's take a look at the values of that enumeration. You can delete snapshots only and you can include the snapshots. These 2 values will throw an exception if the Cloud Blob is a snapshot. That means for a snapshot we need to use the value none, and for a blob we need to use the value include snapshots. So let's do this. Let's cut that enum here and let's remove the to-do command and let's create a variable here, delete snapshots option. Now let's check if the Cloud Blob is a snapshot, and if that's the case we just use the option none, and if the Cloud Blob is not a snapshot we use the include snapshots option. Now let's just use this variable for the delete async method of the Cloud Blob and let's run the application again. Let's include the snapshots and let's reload the videos. Now let's check if we can still delete a snapshot. Let's select here the Skateboarder 180 snapshot and let's click on delete video. Let's click OK, and yes, this still works. Now let's try to delete the Skateboarder MP4 blob that has still 1 snapshot. Let's go to Video Actions, let's click on Delete Video and let's click OK. As you can see, the blob and also its snapshot were deleted. So the logic that we have implemented works. Now you have seen in this module how to create a snapshot, how to promote a snapshot, and how to include the snapshots when deleting a blob. In the next clip, I will show you how you can manage your snapshots in the Azure portal.